Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to draw the pie charts. First of all, let us do the definition. Pie chart is a circle divided into sectors representing the relationship between the whole and its parts. Pie chart is actually the way of representing data in the form of a circle. We find out the corresponding value of each sector in the form of degrees, and then we represent it in the form of pie chart with the help of protractor and compass. Size of each sector is proportional to the information it represents. Let us learn how to draw a pie chart. First of all, in this example, one survey is done in which the students are being asked about their favorite fruit, and pineapple is liked by 45 students, mango is liked by 30 students, orange is liked by 25 students. Then this is represented in the form of circle, in the form of pie chart, by finding out the central angle of it. First of all, the central angle is calculated. We have written the three juices, that is pineapple, mango and orange, and number of children, number of students, those who are liking these fruits or juices. First of all, we have calculated the fraction by dividing that particular value divided by the total. Since the total number of students is 100, so the fraction corresponding to pineapple is 45 upon 100. Then corresponding to mango it is 30 upon 100, corresponding to orange it is 25 upon 100, and the fraction is 9 upon 20, 3 upon 10 and 1 upon 4. Now the central angle is being calculated by multiplying this fraction with 360. 9 upon 20 into 360, 3 upon 10 into 360, 1 upon 4 into 360. So this is the central angle. We have calculated the central angle by using the formula corresponding value upon total into 360, this one. Now the next step. First step is you will draw a radius using a scale. We have drawn a circle and then we have drawn the radius. Second step is, since the measure for pineapple is 162, so we are using protractor to measure the angle of 162 over here in the second step. We have measured 162 degree angle, and finally we have drawn this, and that is the part representing the number of students liking pineapple. Now for the next step, we will draw the angle for mango, that is 108 degrees, by measuring it with the help of again a protractor, and then we are drawing it with the help of pencil like this. Next step, the leftover angle will be of orange. The remaining part of the circle will be for orange. So that is about your pie chart. Let us do the recap of it. A pie chart is a circular chart divided into sector which represents all the category of the given data. Various informations can be extracted out from a given pie chart. If the pie chart is given, you can find out various information from that. And pie chart can be drawn by finding the central angle for each category and then drawing the sectors.